Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Empowered Budgets, where I'm hoping to inspire others to feel empowered about their finances. If you've never been here before, hi, I'm Monica, and my husband and I are on a debt-free journey, and we want to gain financial independence. And today I have a bonus video for you guys. I got a new budget binder. So this is an unboxing for today. I got this from CloverLilly Designs on Etsy, and I got this package today and immediately sat down to record this video because I am so excited to show everyone my new cash binder and to get it set up. And I always giggle when I watch people do this. I'm like, why don't you have a knife? Why didn't you think about it? Why don't you have scissors? Why didn't you think about it? And now here I am, didn't think about it. And now that I think about it, I think I have scissors in my drawer, but it's okay. It's opened. Here we go. Always fun. Ooh, so cute. Look at that. CloverLilly Designs. All right, now I'll break out the scissors. Is there something in here? No. Scissors. All right. Here we go. Took me a long time to decide. I knew I wanted another binder. I just didn't know exactly how I wanted to set it up. But one night I had the motivation and I just sat down and decided how I wanted to set up my new system. Oh, it's so cute. I love getting things from small businesses because they're just always feel so personal. Thank you for your order. Your purchase helps bring my dreams to life. I hope you love everything. Happy budgeting, Becky. That is so cute. I'm going to link her shop down in the description box. Okay, get rid of that. I like the color she picks. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Make love. Just destroying everything because I'm not going to save it. Oh my gosh. If y'all didn't know, this is my married name. I figured it was okay to put on YouTube because there's a lot of good ones in the world. Okay, how cute all this is. I'm so excited. And I really like that it's a magnetic closure. I like magnetic closures. There are so many awesome little businesses doing this same thing on Etsy. And I literally looked for months and months and months and finally was like, okay, I want this one because I want these styles and design and she can do it for me. Okay. How do you open this? Oh, washi tape, duh. So packaged with so much care. I feel bad destroying it. Oh, she gave me budgeting sheets. Oh, are these stickers? Oh, that's cute. Little fern sticker. Oh my God. Do I want to put them on here? I don't know. Maybe. I have a hard time with stickers. I usually never use them. Oh, she gave me my name. Oh, I don't think I've ever told anyone. My name's spelled with a K. I see comments with my name spelled with a C and I just don't even say anything. Oh, that's so cute. I don't even know what I'm going to do with this. Oh, I'm so excited. I never thought I'd get that. Oh my gosh. You guys, I got so much freebies in here. I got my name. I got a little cash budget breakdown. That's so cute. Oh, she's a little preview because she's like, buy these for me, which is smart. Sterile alcohol pads. Oh, for the decal applications. Clean the surface that you're adhering the decal to really well. Wet cloth rubbing alcohol. Corner, carefully begin to peel the decal backing off. Place decal sticky side onto the surface. Place. Oh, all right. That's all a not today thing. Oh, a challenge. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. So much more fun opening that than opening an Amazon package and get a bunch of extras. Okay, cool. I'm definitely going to use these. All right, so let me go through Get rid of that, put this off to the side. All right, I'm gonna go through all my new envelopes and I am going to organize them. So I have a little cheat sheet how I decided to do it because I'm not gonna remember. Okay, so, oh, she has her card in here too. Okay, so this is her. I'll put it in the description box down below, but that way you have a screenshot if you want it. All right, so here is my little cheat sheet over here. So we're going to do the new binder first. So new binder is going to get medical. Oh my God, she popped the little pops out for me. That's amazing. I hate those things. Okay, medical, and then car maintenance, and then household. I think I have that one. No, here, household. Household. Electronics. There we are. So cute. I totally forgot about asking about the little zippers going back and forth, but that's okay. Travel. Because I feel like these sometimes seal one way and then they'll change and then they seal the other way. Like I can literally change it. No, never mind. I can't. I just tried. Oh well, whatever. Okay, so electronics, travel. Kitty, oh my God, goodness. My cat was sitting behind me playing with my braids. Anyone else relate to that? Okay, I just did travel, so now wardrobe is next. Wardrobe, and then buffer. Okay, so that's everything for this binder. I'm going to transfer money into here in just a second. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Alrighty, so let's see. Now let's go to my personal binder, which will probably be this binder. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to take these out because I'm going to have to reorganize them, which is fine. All right, let's go this way. So health, which I changed to medical, so that one I'll have to switch out. Car I'll have to switch out. This one's done. Okay, self-care is going to go in this binder. I'm just going to switch this one out because we're already here. Oh, I have more in here than I thought. I love when that happens. All right, self-care. Restuffed it, and then the next one. I think I forgot about clothing. Anyway, we'll just leave this here for now. Clothing. I think I was going to take out shoes and just do the clothing thing, if I can remember correctly. All right, now we have personal care, fun with friends, because I love this one, and I have that back here. Personal. Shopping, move to gifts. Okay, I'm moving that to gifts. Here's my fun with friends, which only has a little sad 5 in it right now. It takes me a long time to like save up and actually spend money on getting new envelopes. I don't know why. Okay, taking buffer out of this one. But I have a hard time spending money on stuff for my goals for these things. And I just kept the ones that were rose gold in here. Shopping, move to gifts. Yeah, I wanted to combine that because I have clothing, which I was going to do shoes, hats, accessories, all that kind of stuff. So I wanted to keep those together. Okay, I think that's it for this one. Budget binders, personal. Oh, I have to move personal, don't I? into that one. I can do that. This one, okay, it's gonna have emergency, debt, which are gonna stay the same. This one is gonna go into this binder. Because since I already had these with rose gold, I figured I got the new ones in rose gold, so they kind of go, because I didn't want to change all of them. Okay, debt. And then donations, which is my miscellaneous one. And then gifts, and then savings. All right. So now, let's see. I'll know I'm done whenever everywhere has money. Okay, personal. This one goes in here. Self-care. Personal. Personal. Clothing. Fun with friends. Perfect. Okay, so this personal was my travel. So I'm going to take this out because it's going to be different. I actually need to take those out because I spent it. Okay, so that makes more sense. All right, perfect. Oh, I love how big they are. So cute. All right, there we go. There's that one. This is going to go to travel, which is going to be for the both of us, clearly, because we will do traveling things together, hopefully. Okay, travel. This is for us going to visit Eli's mom for her wedding in September, which is fastly approaching because it's almost August. Okay, shopping. Where was that going to go? Shopping's going to go to gifts. That's a different binder. Okay. I'm going to have to get used to my new setup. In my videos, I'm going to be like, where's that? Which is this one? I might just go through and reorder everything in my spreadsheet. All right, car maintenance, that one's done. Health, I got these new because I wanted the labels to be different. Might add some on as time goes by. I might try to make them all match. I'm kind of like that. These are interesting. They're more floppy than these. Maybe because they're a little bigger. Okay, and then shopping is going to go to gifts, because that's basically what I was using it for. And then gifts, actually gifts is in here. Alrighty, shopping. Gifts. Alrighty, I'm going to fix all of my budget sheets off camera because I don't feel like you'll want to see that. If you stayed to this point in the video, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I know I enjoy watching people get new binders and their new setup. It's always fun. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment down below, and give me a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!